Yeah, Kit thinks that he's coming here to see the weight room, and we've got other plans for him.
So you wait up front, and I'll wait down
I'll
here.
do that.
Kit's done phenomenal work here at North Cobb. We really just wanted to share in all of this with him.
Do you want me to introduce them on camera? Our relationships to schools and students in our community is extremely important to North Star. And one of our own members, Kit Cummings, who created the Power of Peace Project, is doing phenomenal, impactful things in the lives of our youth. So today, we're at North Cobb High School, and with the help of Matt Moody, the principal, Matt Williams, assistant principal, and Coach Shane Queen, we're going to surprise Kit in the weight room. So we are in the newly renovated North Cobb High School weight room. I'm here with Principal Matt Moody and Assistant Principal Athletic Director Matt Williams. Mr. Moody, will you tell us why we are here today?
We've got this relationship with Kit now, and he's developed kind of a partnership with our school and our athletes in our school. And the kids want to kind of show off this new facility to Kit as part of a ruse, if you will, to get him in here so that North Star can support the Power Peace Project program with your program, Be Bold. And Kit's done phenomenal work here at North Cobb, and we really just wanted to share in all of this with him because he's like one of our coaches now on staff, really.
Mr. Williams, can you kind of tell us some of the positive impact you've seen from it?
In the fall, we started off with our football team, meeting once a week and doing kind of a class session with Kit. Your kids that could make a difference, but a lot of times they've been making the difference in the wrong way, and you just wouldn't believe the positive impact it's had on our student body.
That's awesome. Yeah, Kit thinks that he's coming here to see the weight room, and we've got other plans for him.
So you wait up front, and I'll wait down
I'll
here.
do that.
And if he comes down here, I'll get him distracted.
Text him and tell him you got to check in or something.
Let me see text him. Say,
Security.
I'm going to say Moody said, will you come see him in the front before you get to him? Yeah.
So, as you know, you thought you were coming here to look at a new weight room, and we want you to soak it in and check it out. But as a North Star member, you have sat here and you have watched the church love on the community, celebrate with them. And today's the day that we get to celebrate Power of Peace. So, if you'll stand right there for me, we want to present Power of Peace Project with $10,000 towards furthering the mission of youth in our community. And now, y'all dogpile them again. Go!
I'm so grateful. I love North Star. You guys tricked me today. I cried. Thank you, North Cobb. I told them it's the most beautiful lie I've ever been told when they tricked me to come down here today. But here's the amazing thing, and I couldn't have planned this. North Star was so significant because we were coming there just spiritually to be fed. And all of a sudden we were surrounded by all these community leaders, and Ackworth and Kennesaw, by far the most functional, beautiful, faithful communities I've ever been a part of. So there's so many things going on right now that this is a godsend, an answered prayer, and we're going to be able to help a lot of kids because there's a lot of threats. And I mean, I just can't say thank you enough.